Review do.
Yo, what's up? You know the vibes. It's Pizza Hut. We outside today. Got some Pizza Hut, but they did me kind of dirty. It's Review Do here with a Pizza Hut review do. Know what I mean? So here, let's open this bitch up. They did me kind of dirty. Okay, sausage. It's a good deal. Epic dinner, epic box. Epic dinner, epic box. It's a good deal, right? But that's mostly crust, bruh. That's mostly crust. That's mostly crust, bruh. What's going on with the pepperoni not being in the middle? Cheesy bread look good, though. Boneless. You gotta pay more for the bones. Oh. But yo, that's mostly crust, bruh. Come on now. But we outside with it. Review Do doing his best Karen. You know how I be a Karen today, because they fucking screwed me. So I gotta be a deal with a Karen. Pizza Hut, not the best pizza. But yo, sometimes I miss Pizza Hut crust. It be golden. Alright. Review Do. Pizza Hut. We outside with your ass. We outside with your ass. Review Do. That's whole slice there is just crust. These two, that's just crust. Review Do. No. Review Do being a Karen today. But yo, we got to keep it real. Especially if he do us dirty. Alright.
Review Do.